Salut tout le monde.
Today, we're diving into one of the trickiest yet most essential parts of French grammar.
Le subjonctif.
If you want to express emotions, desires, or uncertainties like a native speaker, mastering the subjunctive is a must. But don't worry, we're going to learn it through common French idioms. The subjunctive is a special verb mood used to express uncertainty, wishes, emotions, or necessity. It's mostly found in dependent clauses following certain expressions and verbs. Here are some key phrases that trigger the subjunctive.
Il faut que.
It's necessary that.
Je veux que.
I want that.
Il est important que.
It's important that. These phrases lead to sentences where the verb that follows must be in the subjunctive. French idioms often use the subjunctive, making them a great way to practice this tricky mood naturally. Let's go over 7 common idioms and see how the subjunctive plays a role in each. Example 1. It is necessary that.
Il faut que. Il faut que tu fasses tes devoirs. Fasse.
S. The subjunctive form of.
Faire.
We use the subjunctive because.
Il faut que.
Expresses necessity.
Il faut que.
Example 2. It's important that.
Il est important que. Il est important que nous soyons à l'heure. Soyons.
Is the subjunctive form of.
Être.
Here.
Il est important que.
Emphasizes obligation.
Il est important que.
Example 3. I want that.
Je veux que. Je veux que tu viennes à ma fête. Vienne.
Is the subjunctive form of.
Venir.
Used because.
Je veux que.
Expresses a wish.
Je veux que.
Example 4. As long as.
Pourvu que. Pourvu qu'il ne pleuve pas demain. Pleuve.
Is the subjunctive form of.
Pleuvoir.
We use the subjunctive because.
Pourvu que.
Expresses a condition or hope for the future.
Pourvu que.
Example 5. Unless.
À moins que. Je n'irai pas à la plage à moins qu'il fasse beau. Face.
Is the subjunctive form of fair. We use the subjunctive because.
À moins que.
Introduces a condition that could change the outcome.
À moins que.
Example 6. Although or even though.
Bien que. Bien qu'elle soit fatiguée, elle continue à travailler. Soit.
Is the subjunctive form of.
Être.
We use the subjunctive because.
Bien que.
Expresses a contrast or concession.
Bien que.
Example 7. Before.
Avant que. Ferme la porte avant que le chat ne sorte. Sorte.
Is the subjunctive form of.
Sortir.
We use the subjunctive because.
Avant que.
Introduces a time-related condition that is uncertain. Let's go over all 7.
Il faut que. Il est important que. Je veux que. Pourvu que. À moins que. Bien que. Avant que.
Now it's your turn. Let's practice together. Try completing these sentences using the correct subjunctive form. Choose the correct answer.
Il faut que tu ailles à l'école.
Yes, that's correct. Choose the correct answer.
Je veux que vous fassiez attention.
You're doing great, keep going. Choose the correct answer.
Il est important que nous ayons assez de temps.
Yes, that's correct. Choose the correct answer.
Pourvu que nous puissions finir le projet à temps.
You're doing great, keep going. Choose the correct answer.
À moins que tu ne prennes un parapluie, tu seras trempé.
Yes, that's correct. Choose the correct answer.
Bien que ce film soit intéressant, je préfère lire le livre.
You're doing great, keep going. Choose the correct answer.
Avant que le soleil ne se couche, nous devons rentrer.
Yes, that's correct. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to try the exercise linked in the description below. Once you've completed it, check your answers. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you next time.